This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook dried lion's mane mushroom, updated. Start by soaking the dried pieces in warm water until soft, then gently press out excess liquid and reserve that flavorful soaking liquid for stocks or sauces. Slice or pull the mushroom into bite-sized pieces, then pat them dry so they sear instead of steam. Use moderate heat and a sturdy pan for a nutty, meaty texture that crisps at the edges. Rehydrated lion's mane absorbs flavor wonderfully, so add the reserved soaking liquid to your pan or stock for depth. Hold back salt until near the end to keep the texture tender, and finish with something bright like lemon juice or a splash of sherry to lift the dish. Toasting or browning adds a pleasant nuttiness, and a little butter or oil helps develop a golden crust while keeping the inside yielding and delicate. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more mushroom content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen so easy. Its waterproof design and adjustable light let you cook without worrying about spills. It fits neatly on a counter and saves recipes for offline use. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. There are several great ways to cook rehydrated lion's mane. Sauté for a quick, crispy finish, bake with oil and herbs for a simple sheet pan meal, or add to soups and stews where it will soak up surrounding flavors. For sautéing, use medium-high heat and avoid overcrowding the pan so pieces brown. For baking, toss with oil and seasonings and roast until edges are golden and slightly crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.